Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making Copycat Little Caesars Crazy Bread. The ingredients that we're going to need today are pizza sauce, 1 package of pizza crust. I'm using the classic crust, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1/4 cup of grated parmesan cheese. You can set your oven to 400 degrees. Now you want to take a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper and place your pizza dough onto it. I just took a pizza cutter and just evened out the edges. Now all you want to do is take your pizza cutter and cut it into 8 strips. Now you take your pizza cutter and just go straight down the middle. And you're going to get 16 pieces. Now we're going to place them into our 400-degree oven for 6 to 10 minutes. While you're waiting for your breadsticks to get done, you can go ahead and place your pizza sauce into a bowl. You can go ahead and warm it up. And we're also going to melt our 3 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, you want to add in your garlic salt. And we're just going to mix it until it's well combined. Once your breadsticks are out of the oven, you want to take your butter mixture and we're just going to brush it over top of them. Once you're done, we're going to take our grated Parmesan cheese and begin to sprinkle it over top. Now we're ready to plate them. Okay guys, so here we have it, our Copycat Little Caesars Crazy Bread. Guys, these taste amazing, so I hope you guys give them a try. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.